Walking slow, take it easy, breathe in the air. Sunlight flickers through the leaves, a moment rare. Birds are singing sweet songs, a melody so fine. One step at a time, let the world unwind.
Feel the breeze, let it flow, let go of your cares.
Chill vibes in the park, where the world feels great. Underneath a big sky, everything feels right. Walking through the whispers of trees all around. In this tranquil moment, happiness found. Path is winding, laughter echoes, joy in my stride. Friends beside me, with the park as our guide. Nature's canvas unfolds, colors vibrant and wide. In this peaceful embrace, let love coincide. Every step a heartbeat lost in the ride. Chill vibes in the park, where the world feels bright. Underneath the big sky, everything feels right. Walking through the whispers of trees all around. In this tranquil moment, happiness found. Heart is light, and my spirit's free. Just me and the nature in harmony.